So also it tells us the war is still on. Between these two groups. I heard Manyagat saying these two groups and I was like, there are certain things when you papa in shita. I'll find language I see even boys like these boys love the fellow YouTubers. They try to insinuate, oh, you are a lapdog of someone. Go to hell. That someone you're talking about knew me through YouTube doing what I'm doing. Because if anziletela imun that person akuta kuriya nganzela endla YouTube urukate I'm fully invested to that project. So no one, like wherever I can think of, even those who tried shem batelongo bangaringeta in all means. I was
Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela yi ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand. Loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit. Vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
ina wetwala unena vaithema kama unena. Ina wetwala unena vaithema kama unena. Niri mingani tsiki menti yin'wina. We mulweri u yi lwerile nyuki ya mina hanta vama mina handle ka wena. We magaza va tsakele magazo n'wana hi mintirho ya wena. Xa ku sungula ndzi rhandza ku kombela rivalelo ka vanhu lava sapotaka channel leyi ku va ni va ni nga ri kona for nkarhi wo lehanyana. I think nkarhi lowu ni nga hetelela ku posta video ku ri 10 days ago. So for sure mtani khomela I had the hectic schedule. Had so many events lined that way. So swi keep up busy and swi tirhangana miehleketo. So every time I come back here ni va ni karhele. So until I saw the video, you can sense the bad energy, the fatigue in me, and she love this. So van'wana va suggest oh vakhandle ku drop in, that's why u nga ha endli the video. Vakhandle will never drop me. Like no one can find me ka vakhandle, like in the true sense, like no one. And I'm fully invested to that project. So no one, like wherever I can think of, even those who tried shem batelongo bangaringeta in all means. I won't say through the owner or what, but they tried shem. And so me and the owner were fine and we're doing very well. I can tell you now without anything, without fear of being fired or not. You know, like in November, nearly 1,200 rand through referral programs. Referral programs, this is for more edavan, for more kunvisaban va join. So each and every person that joined through me in 100 rand, besides yam holo, loan tiraka vakhandle. So and December is soon at the moon who 82. So in Lagova at the Vats Vagu to hint. He did 25 fingers right tell my twists. So no one. mi nga twi mi chava no one no one na lava mina va rindzelaka sweswo one day ku ri va khandle it's not going to happen, and na mina it's not going to happen because one day I will wake up and say a na hala ku tirha na vakhandla. It's not going to happen. Just dream of another thing. On this is yeah, Jaimito, mfana wale Msambikani, mai baba ja rukula imbaja danuna shete, yimanemi amukelaka de channel that matters. De channel that matters the most. Aku hambokwata walava awulavi yawen idasuku yawen yumanimi amugelaka the only channel that matters to watch. It is alleged that Shongi Rangan Varman Shoma just removed the lyrics that the voice of Shongi Rangan ka ndirini, and then Mr. Puts I decided that go bumper, and if it not bumper to bumper, I release the project on the 6th of December le coincide na Jewish man kube na varman hite kanchirin na o mesa album it is 6 ta December la go mesa ku Dr. Joe na Mr. Post boka banga chuwang baka shirinda or what. We don't know, but let's dive into it. Andirna problem in one like na Manyangazi, because always Manyangazi, every time Shoma Jones did something, he was always on the negative side, saying all of nonsensical things. Shusungwan shaku utwenga vulu ilu tama komela kutela na Shoma Jones wangtsona so. Like Manyanga sanga se tshama pfula nomo ku matsala a teka keyboard ya foni ya mobile a tsala swilo swo yantswa hi Shoma Jones, like minkarhi hinkwayo loko a tsala swilo I tsala swilo swa bad. And swi va swi ri somehow because if you are an influencer like me, I'm an influencer my guy, walava ulaba utazokubvo, like you can't take that away from me. You have someone who is a lifetime project like that. Shoma Jones is way much better than most of our artists in terms of distribution or being popular outside us as what song. So for that you must give her some credit that she worked the way out without you, right? So another problem I like at some point I was like, what's the problem with this guy? Shoma Jones angasungulu ku remove the voice ta munhu wa Xitsonga. Yes, angava asame a remove ta van'wanyana vanhu nga va tiveki, like vanhu nga va tiveki nge va tivi vhela, but because we are way less interested in any other things than Vatsonga, we might not know. So Shoma Jones knows music. Xa ku sungula wa swi tiva ku swilo leswi loko a swi tshika laha swi ya n'wi veka ka xiyimo xini, and swi kahle for defense or target market ya yena na. Loko a twa ngo swi kahle, I paid you are here, I pay for all your bills and your expenses and your time, it's my song, I can do whatever I want to do with my song. Honestly, it's my song. It's his song, like honest. Mara ntwa ingaku Shoma Jones I delela Vatsonga to such an extent ya ku anga yivoni value ya Vatsonga. That's why she can feature Makadzi and then remove Shongi Rangani's voices. Yeah, Shongi Rangani vo nkhawurisa mhaku a hi ta twa hi vhiki leri hinkwaro leswi nga miyelanyana ka social media a hi ta twa hi loko a ri ka ngoma leyi na Shoma Jones, but vo nkhawurisa. But we can't take away ku Shongi Rangani I delela Vatsonga. Uzo a swi endla leswi ka kona wala kona a remove the voice ta Benny Mayengani, and I think Benny Mayengani was hurt by that. That's why I'm nameke Malambani 2020, 2021, 2020. So Shongirangani Paramandwi show Majus it Dalala song. It doesn't matter whether we don't like Shongirangani or you don't like Benny Mangan. That's a total disrespect to our craft and to our art. And we must protect it against such individuals who, when they know Bale hands, they come try to pick people whom they think they are on trends to revive their career within our market. But like, Iman Shongirangani Kawazong, honestly. I'm sorry, man. I mean, you show my juice. Like, yeah, she's a bigger market outside Wadzong, but yeah, like she just uses our tribe, Boash Belan, and then claiming that she represents us. Yeah, she's just masquerading as Mutsonga so that she doesn't stay away of his art. Itaka inshirinda umeza album ya jisikista ta December. Nokada video lokurti 3 December nampunzo. I think it's a good move to capture the traffic and also to be on the line. Like, oh, this is because it's a well-spoken date. So I think it's a good one. When I feature on go time la album la Nishok album la you maka time. Ntamzela one day why no you maka time. Because if you share go for the time boy low shot award. So there's nothing we can do. You saw one. Mr. Post or Mr. Album ya 96 December. La Dr. Josh Rimanwa Mr. Album ya one 86 December. Mr. Post iranga ag o Mr. Album me to one. To show that I don't follow Mr. Post. Yo, this is so bad. Yo. It one around the 1 o'clock nahlekani. Nifuka such an album ya Mr. Post on Spotify, YouTube, and I was disappointed I couldn't find it. That's how I became less interested or I got stopped to view Mr. Post's stuff. So Mr. Post blocked me like almost a year ago, 2 years ago. So when I see his stuff, this one through YouTube, lo one va posting ka YouTube. This one through that. Kumbe this one loko ni ngene account straight ya my baba le ona ku page le se ba block page ba blocking account. So I can't see this guy's post because some people have been trying to accuse me, oh, when your favorites are releasing ubulabula isona, when Mr. Post is releasing anubulabula isona. It's none of my business. You can release, you can speak about him. I'm not entitled. I do what I want at my own time. These are my resources, and I'm well invested to these things. So I run these things. And I'm going to record a video for what. Now no one tells me anything to do here. I see even boys, like these boys love the fellow YouTubers. They try to insinuate, oh, you are a lapdog of someone. Go to hell. That someone you're talking about knew me through YouTube doing what I'm doing. Because if Anzela Lemon, that person, Akta Korean Anzela and YouTube or Rukatevan. Because Miss Vitana Gurukadera, so we might as well call it. Why would someone who has made it in life make it a project go like what would he gain from that? Anial na ye mene munwago. So Mr. Post, it's hard just for me to speak about it because I'm no longer a follower of him. I just get, so if he's not trending, I'm not going to get anything out of him. So unless if he's trending, I'll get news. So Mr. Post, one thing I'm gonna show you by these streams. Watch the versus no look at the watch the versus. I can tell you now, GNU, there was someone who was trying to recruit me to hit Dr. Joe. Go, hey, go to hell. I don't care. Like, if you have an issue with an artist, that's your issue. Don't make it my issue. Mr. Post was full of by these streams online. So what's the GNU comprises of so many big acts then and so many big talents. So there what's the go? In terms of streams, I get Mr. Post. What's the what she says? So it's not something like I don't come by these streams. He knows. But so come another mentality of him kur anchava kulwa nyimpi no tsandzeka van'wana va ni fayetela vafana mara hayi ku na vachava ani vachavi. I can fight them toe to toe. Because for him to change the date to their date, that shows some bravery, like utin auchavnchum. And so also it tells us the war is still on. Between these two groups. I heard Manyaga saying these two groups and I was like, there are certain things when uru papai in shita I'll find language ngwananga tani ku dyondzisa mina mai va vajaro kula embacha danona shiti. So va hi byela ku nyimpi ya ha ri kona munhu wun'we ntsena elwa na GNU, which is true. Mara we shouldn't claim Kunoya it one. There with so many big talents there. It's just that lava almost all of them are legends. And like Slav are Virgin. Look what did. One one Jesus. Mara, this is the most useless or useful USEFWOL useful beef or war ever I've came up. What does it seek to achieve? What are you fighting for? Their beef has become so irrelevant that no one cares, man. Like no one cares. Like I'm been mango post out like I've not been following what Mr. posts, so I don't know. Shungwan bang bago show Mr. Post IQ. From Google IQ sublime. Intelligence quotient, something like that. Lava and emotional wise vaskota kutlanga yena kwata. Like un'wana pimba loko sa hetina a khame dana u phela hina swidudla a hi hlweli ku kwata ma twisisa. That's how he speaks when he's angry. By emotional intelligence leswaku va n'wi tlhogonya kwata. And you can't afford to lose yourself now. You need yourself more than ever. So these are the dynamics we are dealing with. Whether musically Mr. Post will be better than them, which is likely not going to happen in my opinion. You won't beat them on numbers, and they're going to say numbers don't lie. That's what they're going to say. Ni chasa the iPhone, if I'm love the iPhone, me lagu register the business, me lagu join our country, and you need assistance with anything related to company registrations or compliance or file returns. Nukumenga 076 566 1277. If you need my email address, go to About or go to my Facebook, my Baba. You'll find my email address. It's dgmybaba@gmail.com. If you hit me, I may not love you, but I know Zunda, I know TV.